Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to get better performance in Gorilla Tag on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen, where you'll see the word Steam. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up your Steam settings panel where you can adjust various options that affect your gaming experience. In the settings window, look at the left panel and click on In-Game. This section controls how Steam behaves while you're playing games, and it's crucial for optimizing performance. Now you'll see an option that says Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Right beside this option, you'll notice a toggle switch. Go ahead and click it to turn it off. Disabling the Steam overlay removes an extra layer that runs on top of your games, which can consume system resources and cause frame drops or stuttering. By turning this off, you're freeing up valuable processing power that can be redirected to running Gorilla Tag more smoothly. Next, you'll want to optimize Discord as well, since it can also impact your game's performance. Open the Discord desktop app on your PC and sign into your account. Once you're in, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click the gear icon next to your username. This will open your user settings where you can customize how Discord operates. In the left panel of user settings, scroll down until you find Game Overlay and click on it. You'll see an option labeled Enable Overlay with a toggle switch right beside it. Click the toggle to turn it off. This is important because Discord's overlay, similar to Steam's, runs on top of your games and uses up CPU and GPU resources that could otherwise be dedicated to improving your frame rate and reducing lag in Gorilla Tag. Also, you need to update your GPU drivers. This is absolutely essential because driver updates mainly improve how your graphics card talks to games and Windows. GPU manufacturers regularly release updates that optimize performance for new games and fix bugs that might be causing crashes or poor performance. It's one of the easiest ways to get better performance and stability, lower lag, and achieve smoother gameplay. To update your drivers, simply visit your graphics card manufacturer's website, whether that's Nvidia, AMD, or Intel. Download the latest drivers for your specific card and install them. You may need to restart your computer after the installation completes. By following these steps, you've disabled resource-heavy overlays and ensured your graphics drivers are up to date, which should give you noticeably better performance in Gorilla Tag. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.